Good morning students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your new session and your online classes for grade 2. I'm your teacher Hafsa Jamil and I'm here to teach you computer. As you have promoted to class 2 but still we are doing some important chapters from grade 1 books. You don't have to discard your books, don't have to trash them. You just have to keep them at home because we are still doing some important chapters which are important in your grade 2 as well. So today we are going to do the unit 1 and the name of the unit is machines. As machines are very important things for our life in our daily routine, they help us in different ways. So this is the important units. We will do this unit, we will do the reading first and then we will do the activity and the exercise in the given unit. After the unit we will do the exercise and activity. We will read some notes which I have pasted on the whiteboard afterwards. So let's start. Well students, your lesson machines, unit lesson number 1. Some machines are, now I am going to tell you which machines we have selected to paste on the whiteboard. The first one is iron, bike, aeroplane, washing machine, refrigerator, camera, etc. Here we have pasted some pictures as well. You can see aeroplane, bike, bicycle, washing machine, camera and iron. These are the important things and they help us in different ways. For instance, machines help us in doing our work. Machines save our time. Some machines do not use electricity like a bicycle. Some machines use electricity to work. For instance, iron, it uses electricity to work. Washing machine, it also uses electricity to work. Machines do not make mistakes. So these are helpful for us because they do not make mistakes like humans. So this is the board work. Now we will go towards the book. Well students, you have to take out your book and open your book page number 6. Here we have some sentences which we have to read. Why do we use machines? हम machines का इस्तेमाल क्यों करते हैं? Machines help us in doing our work. ये हमें हमारा काम करने में help करती हैं. Machines help us to save time because they work very fast. Machines हमें ऐसे help करती हैं because they work fast और उनसे हमारा time save होता है. Machines do not make mistakes, so we can depend on them to do our work. Machines mistakes नहीं commit करते, इस वजह से we can depend on them. Now on your book page number 7, how do machines work? Machines कैसे work करती हैं? Some machines use electricity to work. A television uses electricity to work. कुछ machines ऐसी होती हैं जिनको electricity required होती है to work, काम करने के लिए. Like television, electricity use करता है to work. Some machines do not use electricity to work. कुछ machines को electricity की requirement नहीं होती, ज़रूरत नहीं होती है to work करने के लिए. A bicycle does not use electricity to work. जैसे कि electricity bicycle को required नहीं होती, इस वजह से without electricity it works. Now here there is an activity. इसमें आपको कुछ machines दी गई हैं. Here you have 6 machines in which you have to mark tick only those machines which use electricity. Like जोन सी machines को electricity इनमें से required होती है, उस machine के box में हमने tick mark करना है. For instance, first picture, look at the first picture. This one is bicycle. तो एज वी हैव रेड, हमने पढ़ा है कि बाइसिकल को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होता, सो यू डोंट नीड टू पुट टिक इन दिस बॉक्स. नाउ द सेकेंड पिक्चर इज रेफ्रिजरेटर. रेफ्रिजरेटर को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नीडेड होती है, सो यू हैव टू मार्क टिक इन दिस बॉक्स. Third one is iron. Iron also needs electricity to work, so we are again marking tick in this box. This fourth picture is of washing machine, and washing machine also need electricity to work, so we are going again marking tick in this box. Aeroplane is not included in those machines which needed electricity to work. Bike is also not included, so we keep them empty. This is the activity related to machines, those machines which use electricity to work. Now I am coming again on your book, page number 6. Here we have one more activity. The question is, try to complete these statements. My mother uses a washing machine for blank line. Why we use washing machine? To wash clothes or washing. My mother uses a washing machine for washing. You have to write down spelling of washing in this line like this. My mother uses a washing machine for washing clothes. Full stop. The statement is complete. The second one is, the tailor uses a sewing machine for stitching. Write down the spelling of stitching and your statement is completed. Third one is, my brother uses a camera for taking picture. Full stop. My sister uses a juicer mixer for making juice. My father uses a calculator for calculating. That's it. These are the activities we have to do on your book. We have to go to page number 8. Here we have some questions. The first one is, where do we see machines? Second question is, can we depend on machines to do our work? Third question is, how do machines help us to save time? These are the questions. Try to take out approximate answers from the given pages at the back in this lesson 1 and write down these answers on your notebooks. Here you have one more question, and the question is, look at the pictures and make sentences. We have 6 pictures. The first one is of a girl, again a girl, a boy, iron, camera and a television. A dash 1 is watching 6. Now you have to check which one is in your box 1. A 1 means a girl. A girl is watching. What is in your picture number 6? Is a television. So a girl is watching television. This is the example you have already been given. Now we will do the part number B. A 3 is using a 5. Now look at the picture number 3. This one is a boy. So a boy, you will write down a boy is using a 5 picture, and the picture 5 is camera. A boy is using a camera. Full stop. Now part number C, picture number 2. Again a girl is using an, picture number 4, iron. Full stop. 4, 5 and 6 are machines. Now look at the picture 4. 4 is iron, so we'll write down iron, comma, picture number 5, camera, and picture number 6 is television, are machines. So that's it. This is your unit. In this way you have to complete your part number 2 on your book, page number 8. And try to take out one word answer or try to write down approximate answer from the given pages at the back and write down the answers over here or on your notebooks. Well students, your unit has been completed. I hope you got a good understanding. Keep in mind and keep this in your mind that do not discard your old books and old notebooks. Keep them at home and do the work which we are doing right now in the classes on your notebooks. So keep safe, keep your dear ones safe, protect yourself from this pandemic coronavirus, and Allah Hafiz.